You didn't miss this? We just watched Bo, Miles, kayak to work. So now we're gonna try to walk up Grays and Torreys and potentially with some ice, but it should be a sunny morning. But the past couple days it's been snowing out there. So see how that goes. What did you pack?
A lot of stuff. I have base layer for my legs and these. And then I'm basically wearing all of this that I'm on right now. I have my Arc'teryx jacket and my rain shell.
We headed up to Denver to stay with my good friend Nicole for the night, but we were going to initially do this as a group hike. We looked at the forecast and there was supposed to be a big storm coming in around 11.
What a dick. Food, medical supplies.
3 Cliff Bars each.
Lots of water, protein shake.
It had also been snowing all weekend up there. We left at 3:30 in the morning actually. That's not the afternoon. So that we could be to the trailhead by 5:30 with the hopes of then finishing by 11.
Light.
Headlamp.